Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna take you through when I put in the new M Performance steering wheel, the shift knob and the Alcantara boot. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright guys, let's start with the front. We just try to put the fingers under the shift boot and just pull, and you will see that the shift boot will easily come off. The next step is to disconnect the contact of the illumination of the shift knob. Here's the contact and it's really easy to disconnect. Before you start to pull, make sure that the cable is not stuck around the isolation. But here you have the old one, and now I'm gonna try to put the new one, and this one I'm gonna actually save it in case if I want to go back to OEM, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, but you never know. This is not the same. It's not the same. Okay guys, like you see, it's not the same. Unfortunately, I think they send me ordinary 3 series shift boot. The problem is that I can't use this one either. So I will try to get in touch with the Schmiedman, the company that sold me these parts, and see if they have any solution for me. I really hope that they have a solution for me, because I think this shift knob have a good quality and looks good, and match the interior of the car really well. So we will see. Okay guys, let's start with the steering wheel. But before we do anything, we have to disconnect the battery. And in this case is the -1, the one over here. Before you start with the steering wheel, I want to check that everything in the car is really dead, so you don't get your airbag in your face. Perfect. Okay, this is the tool I use, a screwdriver, and now you have to find the 2 holes behind the steering wheel. Okay, now you just press the screwdriver in this direction and the airbag will come off. Now we have to disconnect the connection of the airbag, and it is these 2 there. The next step is to get out the center bolt, and then we have these 2 connections over here. So now I have disconnected these 2 also, and this one was just to press like this, and the other one you use your screwdriver. Alright guys, this is the tools I use, and this one is a 16 millimeters, and it was really hard. So in case that you have a longer one, it's much better. I use my knees to squeeze the steering wheel. But when we're through, you just pull off like that, Make sure that you don't touch anything around that area. Around that. So now the steering wheel is off. Amazing. So now we have to remove these 3 torque bolts. We have one here, the other one is in this side, and the other one is in the opposite side. After the 3 bolts are out, it's really easy to remove this one, as you see. I just noticed that the cables in the standard steering wheel are much longer than in the new one, but I don't think this will be any problem. Now we line up the steering wheel, you see it here, so it's really easy to put it in the right position, and then you just connect these guys back to the same place. We just put back the center bolt, and the torque backs for the steering wheel is gonna be 63 Newton meters. I really like how the new steering wheel looks on the car. I think the steering wheel matched the color of my car and the interior really well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.